आज मैं आपको फ्लैशबैक में लेकर जाऊंगा। तो सिट टाइट, fasten your seat belt as we are about to take off. So we reached Charles de Gaulle Hotel in time which was very near to the airport. और उसके बाद हमने डिसाइड किया कि we'll have a quick freshen up and then we'll leave for the outskirts just to have some view. Whoever goes to Paris always excited to see the Eiffel Tower. When we were leaving hotel we were not informed that we're going to see the Eiffel Tower. लेकिन जब हम वहाँ पर पहुँचे तो वो monument जो कि हम अभी तक सिर्फ दूर से देख रहे थे was mesmerizing and spellbound. We stayed there for a couple of hours, but since we all were tired after the 6 hours flight, we decided to call it a day that time. इस पूरे ट्रिप की सबसे हाईलाइटिंग बात was one to visit the Eiffel Tower in Paris and the second is to visit the Mount Atlas in Switzerland. When we physically went up on top on the Eiffel Tower, it was a kind of feeling as if we have achieved something. Especially उस शानदार तख्लीक को देखना, really it gives us goosebumps and the feeling that I cannot explain. It was a dream that we all were seeing while we are awake. वो 6 घंटे कैसे उस टावर के सेकंड फ्लोर पर गुजर गए हमें पता ही नहीं चला. But every dream has an ending. सिर्फ अपने दिलों में ये वादा करके कि एक दफ़ा फिर ज़रूर इस जगह पर आएंगे. We were heading back to our bus. वैसे फ़्रांस की जो 4 चीज़ें बहुत मशहूर हैं जो कि फ़्रांस को स्टैंड आउट करती हैं, उसमें सबसे पहले नंबर पर फैशन आता है, उसके बाद आईफिल टावर, देन डिज़नीलैंड एंड द फोर्थ थिंग आई वुड इमेजिन दैट यू विल नॉट बिलीव इज़ ट्रैफिक. कि इतनी ट्रैफिक होने के बावजूद जो बच्चे थे इस ग्रुप में दे वर क्वाइट एक्साइटेड. तो हमने भी अपने आप को बच्चा गर्दाना एंड वी आर हेडिंग टू डिज़नीलैंड. So finally, the time has come to say goodbye to Paris. No wonder why people get in love with this city. We have lived the short 3 days to the fullest. Now, thank you very much, Paris, and we'll see you soon. While we were on our way to Germany, we were told that due to some reason, this tour will be diverted to Switzerland, and we'll be landing to a small city of Switzerland, which is Freiburg. So we were supposed to spend 1 day in Freiburg and then move on with 3 more days to go in Switzerland, which sounds like a good idea. The evening in Freiburg was exuberantly amazing, and at least I have never seen such evening anywhere else. We spent that night in Freiburg, and as agreed, the next morning we were on our way to the main city of Switzerland, where we'll be spending the rest of our days. We have literally felt the warmth and the hospitality from the people of Freiburg, that we were forced to have an opinion that end of the day it's the people who make society, and eventually the society which contributes towards the development and the flourishment of a country. This lush green grass, the ice-covered mountains, the clear blue sky, and this cleanliness suggests you only one thing: that this journey should not come to an end. While you are on your way to Switzerland, you will come across Rhine Falls. Rhine Falls is located in Switzerland, and it is considered one of the most powerful falls. You can have a privilege to buy souvenirs, and if you like nature, it's worth stopping by and clicking some snaps. Jungfrou is the highest summit of Switzerland. इसकी कोई अप्रॉक्सीमेट ऊंचाई जो है वो 4128 मीटर्स है। इसको टॉप ऑफ द यूरोप का भी नाम दिया गया है। अब उस हाइट तक पहुंचने के लिए आपको 2 चीज़ों का सफ़र करना पड़ता है। पहले आपको ट्रेन का सफ़र करना पड़ता है, विच विल टेक यू टू अ सर्टेन हाइट, एंड उसके बाद आपको केबल कार का सफ़र करना पड़ता है। ट्रेन का सफ़र इस वजह से फैसिनेटिंग होता है क्योंकि जो इसका ट्रैक है वो पहाड़ों को काट कर बनाया गया है। वंस आप उस हाइट पर पहुंच जाते हैं, सो यू मे हैव सम कंप्लेन अबाउट सफोकेशन, शॉर्टेज ऑफ ब्रेथ, nausea and dizzy. This is very normal, there is nothing to worry. However, you must have plenty of water with you, because in this situation आप जितना पानी पी सकते हैं आपको उतना पानी पीना चाहिए। However, ये कोई गारंटी नहीं है कि पानी पीने के बाद आप बिल्कुल फिट हो जाएंगे एंड यू विल नॉट फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम। इन केस अगर आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, you can always go back to your guide, or you can always approach the helping staff at every point जो कि जिनका काम ही फैसिलिटेट करना है और इन केस ऑफ एनी इमरजेंसी वो आपको सपोर्ट भी। अब इस लेवल पे जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि आई वॉज रियली फीलिंग suffocating and I was feeling shortage of breath. So you can see the bottle of water I kept in my bag and मैं गाहे बगाहे वो पानी ज़रूर पी रहा था, but still I was not feeling fine. Whereas my wife, she seems quite fine. So it depends on person to person, or the whole thing is that you must take precautions. और जितनी भी एहतियाती तदाबीर कर सकते हैं आपको करनी चाहिए, so that you don't face any problem at that point of time. एक और अट्रैक्शन जो आपको देखने को मिल सकती है वो स्विस का फेमस ब्रांड लिंट चॉकलेट, उसकी आउटलेट है। इस आउटलेट पर आपको सब्सिडाइज रेट में चॉकलेट मिल सकती हैं और इनकी मर्चेंडाइज भी अवेलेबल होती है जो कि बहुत सस्ते दामों में अवेलेबल होती है। Titlis is also a mountain, but the height of Titlis mountain is less than Jungfrau, and that is the reason that we don't feel suffocation or shortage of breath in Titlis mountain, unlike in Jungfrau. Now the highlight of this mountain is that again you have to ride 3 different transportation in order to reach to the maximum height that is permissible for the tourist to go. The first, it will be small chairlift where you'll be taking the chairlift as per your turn. All you have to do is to fall in the queue. That chairlift will take you to a certain height. From there you'll have to get down from that height and you'll ride cable car. Now, this is the cable car that I was talking about. This cable car is quite a unique cable car of its kind, and the significance of this cable car is that it was introduced 2 years back, and the first run was a successful. Now, what is that thing that makes this cable car different from other cable cars is that it rotates 360 degree. So while standing on one place, you'll have a view of 360 degree, where you can see all the ice covered mountains, and have a wonderful view at this height, which is not possible in other cable cars. So that's the main difference between other cable cars and this cable car, which is a unique one.